Hongkongers heading to the Indonesian holiday destination Bali will not be affected by volcanic activity on the island, tour organizers have said. Nearly 35,000 people have been evacuated from the area as Indonesian officials say Mount Agung could erupt soon. Authorities imposed a 12 km exclusion zone around the crater, as increasing activity on Sunday sent strong tremors through areas in the eastern part of the island. A spokeswoman for Hongtai Travel Services, one of the city's major agencies, said its tours heading to Bali were not affected at the moment. Mount Agung is not a popular destination for our tours, which usually stay in Denpasar, she said, adding that the company's only tour heading to Bali in the coming week would depart on Monday. Steve Kwok-Shuan, executive director of Hong Kong's Eagle Tours, said his company had no tours currently on the island, but 3 groups, comprising 60 people, would head there between Wednesday and October 4. Huan expected the tour to run as usual as the volcano is far from the capital of Denpasar, in the south, and that a visit to Mount Agung is also not included in the itinerary. The volcano is more than 60 kilometers away from the capital. Huan said various factors had to be considered before deciding whether to make changes to tours. Tours can be affected if planes can't operate, or the government has issued a black outbound travel alert against the territory, said Huan. Huan was referring to the highest level of a 3-tier warning system issued by the Hong Kong Security Bureau on the risk of traveling to foreign countries or territories. A black alert means visitors are urged to avoid all travel as there could be severe threat to those visiting. Currently, Syria is the only country with a black alert issued by the city's government. Indonesia is among 20 countries or territories with an amber alert, the lowest level in the system. Visitors are advised to monitor the situation and be cautious as there could be signs of threat. A Security Bureau spokesman said the government would continue to monitor and assess the situation in Indonesia.